Welcome back, everyone! So today we're going to do a quick unboxing of a package from Lazada. It's a boom arm for our new microphone, the Audio Technica. So let's begin. Alright, so we have it here. Our package from Lazada. So mauna ni ang iyahang sud. So this is what we got for the 493 pesos. So the clamp. So pop siya. Muna ni ang iyahang clamp. Regular microphone, mo niya ang holder. So this part for the microphone, ano siya, ready for the stand. Pop filter. Let's open it up. Okay. So the material is made of plastic for the ring part, and then this like a fabric over here. Okay, so it's here now. Audio, I need to adjust the gain. So mic check. So this is what it looks like right now. I don't know if this is the correct way to set it up. Okay, so sound check. Testing. Okay. So overall, the material is made of, so it's metal. I don't know if it's just painted or it's aluminum. And then it's not too big, it's small, and it's that what they call articulated. You can move it back and forth like that. And then you can turn. So if you want it away from you, if you don't want to use it, we will test it later. If this thing is really going to improve the audio.